According to the Polish Constitutional Court, the EU's Human Rights Convention violates the Polish Constitution. Above all, the reasoning behind the judgment should strike many people in Brussels. So, according to a ruling by the Polish Constitutional Court, part of the European Convention on Human Rights is incompatible with a country's constitution. The European Court of Human Rights, the ECHR in Strasbourg, therefore has no basis to examine the legality of the appointment of Polish constitutional judges, the court ruled on Wednesday. The judges should read what Poland signed there. Specifically, it's about Article 6 of the European Convention on Human Rights, which was signed by 47 states, including Poland. Everyone has the right to a fair trial of any disputes or criminal charges brought against them by an independent and impartial law-based court, it said. However, this article may not be used by the European Court of Human Rights to examine the independence of judges at the Constitutional Court, the judgment now says, because the basis of the independence of the constitutional judges are the Polish constitution and other laws. Well, those guys are not independent. In his judgment, the constitutional judge Wojciech Sich summed this up as follows. The Constitutional Court cannot be viewed as a court. Thus, Poland does not have to implement a certain judgment of the European Court of Human Rights. Poland's national conservative PiS government has been restructuring the judicial system for years. Because of the reforms, the EU Commission has already opened several infringement proceedings against the government in Warsaw and has filed lawsuits with the European Court of Justice, the ECJ. Among other things, the Brussels authority has doubts about the independence of the Polish Constitutional Court, which has now passed this judgment. The chair is Julia Przyłębska, a close confidant of PiS boss Jarosław Kaczyński. This court recently ruled that national law took precedence over EU law, which is complete BS. The current decision of the Constitutional Court relates to a judgment of the Human Rights Courts of May 7th in 2021. The company Zero Floor sued after the Polish Constitutional Court rejected its case. Because there were doubts about the legal appointment of one of the judges who made this decision, the company went to the Strasbourg court. This confirmed the plaintiff and awarded him compensation. And I'll see you in my next video. Bis gleich.